Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Sonnet chases, which is used. It's basically expansion port that you use for video outputs or video inputs, like capture card. When you open this box, when you got the box out, so you have to have a Phillips screwdriver. And just you have to take all those 4 little screws in there in order for the card to be installed. So now we can open this. So there you see there's 3 different 3 PCI card slots. There is other version which has only 1 slot, which is a little bit cheaper, but I got this 3 because I might be using it for different purposes in the future. So now we're going to, this is the Decklink DO2, which is an SDI. There's also an HDMI version, but these days, if it's an industry standard, SDI is more reliable and secure. It's an SDI input or output. It's a bidirectional card, capture card or playback card, whatever you can call it. So it has a fan to it. So basically take PCA slot cover, take that thing off. So you gently, let me turn this way so you can see. It's pretty easy to install, basically like how you install PCI cards on a computer. So you slide that in, make sure the pins are in the right position. Yeah, just gently push that in. It's secured. Make sure it's secured and put the screws back. Don't tighten it too much, over tight it. At the same time, don't leave it loose. And that's it, the cover back on. Once it's secured in, put the screws back. Once the screw is secured tight, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I may do another video how you can set this up in different softwares. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.